Hey you guys, Iris here. Today I'm going to share my recipe for sourdough discard pancakes. You're going to need 2 cups of unfed sourdough starter straight from the fridge, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. You're also going to need a tablespoon of warm water with a teaspoon of baking soda mixed into it. Mix all of your ingredients together except for your water and baking soda until they are well combined. Then you're going to gently fold in your water and baking soda mixture, and that is how you make sourdough pancake batter. You can also use it to make waffles, and they are so delicious.